Uncle.
Nakabidyo ya.
Video.
Ito kami namamahinga. Sarap pala dito.
Sarap dito ha.
Oo.
So kaya hinihintay namin yung boat.
Nasakay kami ng boat.
Tutur
Maglalayag kami. Sa kalawakan ng Antorio.
Ano yan?
Antorio.
Ayan, sa Lokoyo hinihintay namin yung boat na magtutur sa Thousand Island. Nahuli kami ng half an hour kaya the next trip will be at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Okay?
Magra-ride na kami.
Uncle.
So we still have a chance to take a rest at least few minutes.
Uncle.
And Lily is so tired too and she's full. Okay, he's just relaxing right now.
Hi, Toto.
Yan.
Justin,
Yan ang kuhan. Yan ang
Ang ganda dito.
Inggit kayo. Ito ko sa dagat.
ito ang tita Yet. Tita.
Yet.
Ito ang tita Lily.
Yay.
Namumurotot. Ayan.
Uy.
Ayan siya. Ayan ang lola, ang
Ay,
nanay
ina.
niya. Ayan.
Ito kami sa Thousand Island.
Hi, Josh.
Yes ba?
Nice here.
Do you hear me? I'm here.
See? We are relaxing so far. I know it's expensive but it's okay.
Di bawal manigarilyo rin eh? No. Ito, maninigarilyo na ako at libre rin eh. Kala nyo ha?
Yan ang view ng Thousand Island. Okay? You see that bridge there? That's a bridge to USA.
Mula Montreal hanggang dito.
Yan.
2.5 hours.
Yan o, ang Thousand Island. Okay. Thousand Islands, it's a part of Ontario. And as usual, there's a flag of Canadian flag right here. See that boat there? See that lake? We have only lake here in Canada. There's no ocean in Canada. It's all lake. Okay, just to let you know, is Lake of Ontario, and this is one of the tourist spot here in Ontario. It's a nice place. The weather is so good, sunny, and it's a little bit warm. It's about 75 degrees. Okay. Okay guys, just to share the view, the nice place. Okay. This is Thousand Island. Yan, si Lily tsaka nanay nyo yun. Opo, papahinga. Okay. Yan, dumarating na yung boat. Hindi yan ang aming sasakyan, maliit yan. Yung sasakyan namin yung talagang pang-tourist. Capacity about 300 people. Yeah, it's a big one. Okay. That's a tourist bus. Okay. Okay, that's it for a while. Okay, guys.
Pindutin mo lang tingnan.